In today's video, I will be sharing how I make soursop juice and the health benefits of consuming the fruit. Soursop is the fruit of the Annona muricata plant species. Soursop is native to the Caribbean and South America. Soursop can be considered a superfruit because of its tremendous health benefits. I will be making this juice in a simple, untraditional way with only a few ingredients. All you will need is the pulp of the soursop, some water, brown sugar, and a lime, which is optional, but it adds great flavor to the drink. Traditionally, we will squeeze the juice by hand, but I choose to use a blender today because I believe I will get more out of the fruit. Soursop is used to make the traditional Sunday drink in Jamaica. The leaves of the plant can also be used to make tea. One soursop fruit contains 215% of your daily allowance of vitamin C. It also contains 6 grams of protein, 21 grams of fiber, and 85 grams of sugar. Soursop also contains vitamins B1, 2, and 3, folate, calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and copper. This fruit can improve digestion, fight inflammation, fight against bacteria, stabilize blood pressure, and it may also prevent cancer. If you find value in the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family so they can enjoy it as well. This amazing fruit is packed with tremendous health benefits, and it is also delicious. Soursop juice is a great way to improve health or maintain health. I am using brown sugar today, but honey is also a great alternative. Brown sugar is also less processed than white sugar and is better for your health. Soursop drink is a great choice for individuals that need to boost their immune system. Soursop juice is very delicious and can be enjoyed by everyone. If you decide to try this recipe, please leave your feedback in the comment to let me know what you think of it. Check out the safari in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.